Some roast peanuts in here, and I have been enjoying them and playing with the music. Create some music in there. Just get a little bit down to actually small, a little bit small.
Oh, there's somebody else here, Tony.
Oh, is it? Oh, hello, Tony.
Hey,
Good to
Tony.
see you, Tony. Just want to show you the ingredient. We have got the rice flours, and I'm going to use a little bit of, we call it zhihong, tapioca. My dad used to grow them in parsley from the garden, garlic from the garden. This mushroom here, you soak them, squeeze out the water.
This is the white turnip.
The white turnip.
What's the purple one we had in Taiwan?
That is actually the purple sweet potato. If you're actually asking me how much should you actually, the measurement, you can actually see already that I have a handful. That is actually a very good indication, isn't it?
Yeah.
Actually grazing them.
The julienne.
Julienne,
them.
Can that be a verb? I'm julienning the the turnip.
It's a doing word, isn't it? Yes.
I love peeling white radish. We use lots of radish because radish is very easy to grow, and people grow them a lot, and people actually salt them and dry them, and then you can actually use them in fried rice. You can use them in your soup and all different dishes. Also, you can actually make if you're making kimchi, you must use radish to season it. It's just basically just salt or soy sauce and pepper, and that's it. I like to use hands to mix. Hand is the best thing to mix. You can squeeze the radish cake a little bit, squeeze and mix them in. That is actually giving the juice, to mix in with the mushroom and the flowers and the herb to give it a nice feeling. I love playing with food. For me, food is, cooking. It is play and also stress release. It's also art as well. Beautiful temporary arts for me.
It looks like Tom's got radish cakes for a week.
Oh, terrible. What am I going to do?
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear.
I'd post you some, Gail, but I think the post is all blocked up already. You probably wouldn't get there until after Christmas.
Yeah.
So with radish cake, you don't want to make it too soft and you don't want to make it too hard. No. How is it that you actually wanted the right textures? Yeah. So have a look at this one here. I don't know. You can actually see when I put my hands, I press it. You can actually see that the flowers is actually coming up, and the waters is actually like that. And that's what you actually want. If you actually putting them too much, not enough water and too much flowers, it will become a little bit too hard, and I don't really actually like that. So that is actually my steamers. I would love to have your cooking one day, girl. And in there is actually water. This is we call the Lao steamers and bamboo things. And I'm going to drop this one in here. And I'm going to put the lid. Excuse me, I'm putting the lids on. So I'm going to steam it for, let's say, 15 minutes.
Really?
And after when it's actually done, I'm going to beat up the egg and I'm going to coat it with egg and we're going to fry it, pan fry it. That's the cat. The cat's also one of the participants as well. Yeah. She also is actually joining us.
Can I have my chair back, please, Kissy?
The one is actually brown. And once you actually have them punchy on another side, and then what you're going to do is to drop your eggs in.
I think you're about to lose a cameraman, Ling.
I'm glad to hear. So you can actually see how easy it is to make your radish cake, right?
Yeah, lovely.
I'm looking like that, and that is actually the steam one.
Yeah.
Smells really, really beautiful.
Yeah, I bet it does. Yeah.
Yeah, and that is actually the other one. And what we actually do then, we serve them with this soy sauce. Thank you very much, everybody. I'm actually very, very grateful for Tony and for Gail and for Tom as well, that we actually here together, spending this beautiful time together. I
Yeah,
really,
lovely.
really appreciate it. Thank you so much.